Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Pelt Trader Quest in 99 nights in the Forest game on Roblox. Okay, on the day 2, this Pelt Trader will come to the forest, and then as you can see that he asked bunny food. And if you want to get the bunny food, you need to kill the bunny. Okay, you can try to kill the bunny like this, and then you can get the bunny food. Okay, just um keep beating this bunny to kill it. And of course the bunny will run and you need to chase the bunny. Okay, one more time, one more time, one more time. Okay, and finally I could get this bunny food, and now it's time to submit the bunny food to the pelt trader. Okay, I'm going to submit it and we can choose one reward, and I have selected the good sack. Okay, and now I can load more items in this sack. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.